Alright you guys, let's take a look at one of my very favorite accessories I have for the truck, and that is the MorrFlate tire system. So, this handy little thing helps you fill up and air down all four tires at the same time, and I'm going to give you a quick run through of how it works. So, pretty simple. Basic idea is you've got 4 connections, one for each tire, and then one place to fill them up. So this is how I usually set it up here, if I can do it without too much trouble. One goes that side. One goes that side. I usually leave this on the ground here, or sometimes I'll set everything up on the table. And then you just flip them to the tires. So they've got these really nice little valve stem connections. And there's 3, instead of like one thing grabbing the valve stem, there's 3 of them. So it's equal pressure on all sides. Just push it on, close it. Sounds like I left the valve open. Definitely left the valve open. There those guys in there. Okay, one more to go. Okay, we've got all 4 tires connected. Now, no more sitting at each tire. If you want to air down, take the manifold. That's all 4 tires losing air at once. You can sit back. If you got to air up, and you got an air system or a compressor, you just connect it the same way. And if the air compressor is on, that would go filling up the tires just like that. So you can see, super simple little system, but super handy on the trail, and one of my very favorite accessories. So that's the MorrFlate system.